Spinal conditions do not have to limit our Pilates practice. The Pilates method can be a vital approach for clients with a variety of spine conditions as long as the instructor who deals with them understands the appropriate contraindications and modifications. The goal of the Pilates Method Instructor is, above all, do no harm. Modifying some of the exercises in the classical repertoire to keep the spine in neutral for clients with certain spinal conditions can be a safe way to approach their session. The creative modifications included in this workshop will give instructors the opportunity to use the modified classical exercises instead of skipping them. This provides the teacher with a wider variety of safe exercises to use with these clients to avoid losing their mental engagement in the long term. We will discuss what is contraindicated when clients have conditions such as osteopenia, osteoporosis, spondylolisthesis, stenosis, bulging herniated discs, and degenerative disc disease, and learn innovative modifications and variations on the mat and every apparatus. By applying the correct tools, appropriate exercises, and precautions, the instructor can take the client safely through a private session, an equipment, or mat group class. These variations will assist the client in maintaining an active lifestyle and improve their quality of life.